and welcome back to my channel, At Home with Samantha Nicole. For those of you who are new here, my name is Samantha. Here on my channel, I will be featuring cleaning, motivation videos, organizing and decluttering, crafts with kids, mom life, DIY home decor, and DIY furniture remodel, restore projects, whatever you want to call it. And just some home decor ideas and also some meal prep ideas. So I want to go ahead and apologize that it took me so long to get a video out to you guys. The editing took a little longer than I expected. Our schedules have been really crazy with the kids and with my husband's work. And then my camera was not working right, and when I tried to upload the videos, they wouldn't upload. So I ended up deleting all those. So I'll go ahead and have to redo those. So if you are into these kind of videos, go ahead and push subscribe. And if you enjoy this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up at the end. Okay, so for today's video, we're just gonna get right into it. It's kind of a short video. I just wanted to go ahead and share with you what our meal prep planning is, how I stick to budget, how we make the most out of our money since we are a one-income household, and just the kind of things that I do for our meals. For our meal prep plans, we go shopping about every 2 weeks. We have a budget of $500 a month for groceries. That includes school lunches, work lunches, snacks at the house, and all our dinner meals for the full 2 weeks. So we do $250 every 2 weeks at the grocery store, and with my meal prep, I have been able to stay at least $10 or under that budget each time. So I wanted to go ahead and share with you how I do that and how I'm able to stay under budget, and show you kind of how my husband, my kids, they're not asking me what's for dinner. They all know what's on the calendar for the next 2 weeks. I know what meats I have to take out ahead of time out of the freezer to thaw, and it just makes it easier for all of us, and it helps just with the whole money saving process. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into that with you guys. Okay guys, once I go ahead and kind of plan out what we're gonna have for the week, I know it's kind of hard to see, sorry about my handwriting. So I go ahead and I put the day of the month, I put what day of the week it is, and then I go through and we have a recipe book here. It just has all of my recipes from family and that I found online. I go through there, and then I also go here on my Instant Pot app. I know that on one of the days I'm going to be making the root beer pulled pork. Let me actually hold this up, sorry. So I go ahead and look at the pulled pork recipe. I see what ingredients I'm going to need, and then according to how our schedules are, I'll put the things that take a little bit more time on days that we have nothing going on, and then the quick Instant Pot or crock pot meals on the days that we are really busy. Okay, so once I go ahead and I have my list here of what we're going to have for each day of the week for the 2 weeks, I write it on our little chalkboard here. Sorry, my writing on here is kind of hard to read, but the kids can read it, or Chloe can read it, and my husband can read it. So we just hang this in the pantry. They look and see what day of the week it is, and then based on the day of the week, they know what we're going to have. So I just put that in the pantry. Okay, so then I go to make my grocery list, and then on my grocery list here, so the things that I know I'm going to need, like milk, bread, butter, all that kind of stuff, Lunchables, vegetables for us and for our bearded dragon, and our budgies, and then all the side dishes I go ahead and write on here. And then I will go back to my recipe book and my Instant Pot app on my phone. I see what I'm going to need for that, and I go ahead and write it on the grocery list here, so I know that I can pick up everything that's required for each recipe. Now, believe it or not, guys, this whole list right here, I can buy all of this for $250 or under. It does take a little time to sit here, about 15-20 minutes, and decide what we're going to eat. but it's actually not bad because you get to save quite a bit of money and you're all set for 2 weeks. Hey guys, now that we have our grocery list done, sorry about the lighting there, I showed you the grocery list, and we have what we're going to be having for the week, for the next 2 weeks, and we have it all planned out. We know what we have to get at the grocery store, so the next thing to do is go shopping. Alright guys, this is the grocery haul for the 2 weeks. You can see that we got plenty, let's see if I can zoom out a little bit, plenty of food. Now I wasn't able to get under the $250 budget, but I was able to get on budget. And we were actually, I wanted to show you guys, you are able to get brand name foods and still stay on budget with the $250. We got plenty of meats, we got roasts, we got pork shoulders, a ton of ground beef, so you can still go ahead and buy all the name brand foods and stay on budget. Just trying to walk around and show you guys what we got here. And also look for sales. Sales always help. If something's on my list and I see it's buy 3 for $5 or 5 for $10, I'll go ahead and pick them up just because it helps save money in the long run. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed today's video and videos like these, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. Don't remember to push subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a comment in the comment section below and just let me know of what you think about my meal prep ideas, if you have any suggestions and what you do around your home to make sure you stay on budget and that you are all set for the month or week or however you guys do it, okay? So you guys have a great day and thank you so much for your support. Bye.